Hello students, welcome to RecTV. This is Kalyan and I am the faculty of Mathematics and Physics. So in this class we are going to do one more problem based on the trigonometric identities, and this is also a model in which we need to do the elimination of the theta. Okay, let us see what the problem is here. If a cos theta plus b sin theta equal to m and a sin theta minus b cos theta equal to n, then prove that a square plus b square equal to m square plus n square. We need to prove that a square plus b square equal to m square plus n square. Now let us take it. Let us take in reverse. Okay, we feel that we will take here this is LHS and this is RHS. Every time usually we take LHS and do some process and then we obtain the RHS. But now we are doing in reverse. Now we take RHS and we will obtain LHS. Now what is RHS part? RHS part, what is that? M square plus n square. Now just see here, have a look at this. What is the value of m? Okay, m square. What is the value of m? A cos theta plus b sin theta. Let us put it over there. Okay, a cos theta plus b sin theta whole square. Okay, plus n square. What is n square? What is n? A sin theta minus b cos theta. A sin theta minus b cos theta for that whole square. Okay. Now this is m square plus n square. Okay. Now let us do the further step. What we need to do? Here first we need to solve this first bracket, and second we need to solve the next bracket. In this bracket what is given? A cos theta plus b sin theta. For that we need to do whole square, which is in the form of what? A plus b whole square. Very important identity from the algebra, means algebraic identity it is. So how to find out it? A plus b whole square can be expanded to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Just do the expansion. What is a square here? This is a cos theta is considered to be a, and b sin theta is considered to be b. Then this is a plus b whole square. Now how do we do the expansion for this? A square. A square means here a cos theta whole square. A cos theta whole square plus b means b sin theta whole square plus 2ab means 2 into a cos theta. Okay, into b means b sin theta. Once again I am telling you, I just have expanded using a plus b whole square formula. Okay, so how I expanded this? A square, this square, b square means this square into 2ab, like this I have expanded. Okay, now let us do the expansion for second term. Now this is in the form of what? A minus b, because in between them minus symbol is there. So a minus b whole square. Understood? What is the expansion of a minus b whole square over there? Yes, here a minus b whole square means a sin theta minus b cos theta whole square. So we need to expand that using the formula a square plus b square minus 2ab. So how to do the expansion for that? A square. A square means what? A sin theta whole square plus b square. What is that? B cos theta whole square. Okay, minus 2ab, 2 into a is this a sin theta minus into b cos theta. Okay, now we opened the brackets. Okay, now let us solve it further. Now this square can be applied for a, and square can be applied to this a and cos theta. So how can we write it? A square cos square theta. A square cos square theta. This is b square sin square theta plus here 2ab sin theta cos theta. Right? Here we can write 2ab sin theta cos theta plus. Now here what, a sin theta whole square. Now we can square a, I mean we can put the square to a and sin theta also. So this can be written as a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta. Okay. Now here minus symbol is there, so minus 2, here a b sin theta cos theta, 2ab sin theta cos theta. Now if you observe in this expression, 2ab sin theta cos theta, here also 2ab sin theta cos theta is there, but with reverse signs. Here it is having plus symbol and here it is minus, so we can cut these two. Now what are still left over? Here a square cos square theta and here what? A square sin square theta. Group them together. A square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. Now here b square. Okay. Now these two terms are grouped together. Now plus here b square sin square theta and here b square cos square theta. B square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta. Okay, these two are grouped together. Now we can observe that what are the common factors in these two. Here a square is common out of them or not? Yes, a square can be taken out. Now what is left over? Cos square theta plus here sin square theta. Okay, plus here b square can be taken common. Okay, into here sin square theta plus cos square theta. Cos square theta, right? Okay. Now tell me, here we can highlight the trigonometric identity in this one, and here also we can highlight this trigonometric identity. What is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Here also cos square theta plus sin square theta, and value of this would be how much? 1 only, no? Because sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 is a standard identity from trigonometry. So here how can we write it? A square into 1, this is b square into 1. Okay. So now how can we write it further? A square plus b square. So now we took RHS part and we obtained LHS part, right? So okay, LHS part. So we took RHS and we successfully obtained LHS. So therefore LHS equal to RHS. So it is proved. Like this we can do. Actually we haven't done anything here. Just simply we took RHS and substituted the values of m and n. Thereby after we simplified it and we got it. That's it. Like this we can do. This is a simplest model where we are eliminating the theta. Okay. Anyways, let us do next problem.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.